Two incidents happened this week where children were hurt or killed at amusement park rides. So it begs the question, who's responsible for making sure theme park rides are safe for all of us? Here to help examine the issue is managing partner Paul Harding from the law firm Martin Harding and Mazzotti. Thank you for being here.
Sure.
Okay, so who is responsible for making sure that the rides at an amusement park are safe?
Ultimately the people that own the rides, who own the property where the rides are going to take place, but the Department of Labor, New York State, certifies every ride that someone uses. And if the ride breaks down, it doesn't get certified. If halfway through the event there's a problem with the ride, it can't be used again until it's examined.
Okay, let's say there's a family at an amusement park. They notice maybe something wrong with one of the rides there, or they ask and find out that ride hasn't been inspected. What do they do?
Well, first of all, you can go on a website. There's a website that goes per event. So if you're going to go to the Altamont Fair, for example, you go to Altamont Fair, it shows everything that has been certified. But again, reasonableness. You hear something that's kind of clanging, doesn't look right, doesn't sound right, just avoid the ride altogether, because rides can break midway through an event.
Okay. Very good advice. Lastly, if someone is injured on one of these rides at an amusement park, what's the legal recourse?
The legal recourse is find out who's responsible, who blew it. Somebody blew it, right? We live in an era where there are so many checks and counter checks, and this is not a new event, right? This should not happen unless someone didn't do something right. So, it's going to be the owner of the rides, the proprietor, whoever owns the property. Maybe the state of New York, did the inspection. Maybe they didn't do it properly. Maybe they weren't called, but somebody will be on the hook.
Okay, after a big investigation, I'm sure.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Paul.
You,
and we have got a lot more here on CBS 6 News at noon. Mr. Food's up next in the test kitchen for you.